How do you feel about being a TxDOT Texan?
Oh, being a TxDOT Texan is great. So I sing reggae music. When I'm not at work here at TxDOT, I'm actively on stage. I started out at age 6. It's a family thing, but I'm in the studio literally every weekend and some nights. I have 2 albums, working on the final one for this year. I have about 8 singles and 2 EPs.
I have to ask, can you sing some music?
Absolutely not. I'm on the clock. It's just something that I adopted. I separate the two. You know, I'm at work, I'm Sean Linton. I'm on stage, I'm Sean Austin. Music is the one thing that is selfless outside of cooking. I do Jamaican cooking almost every day. To be honest with you, my go-to is my jerk chicken. If I can give you hope through music, I want to do that.